You might remember we broke Lovable last time by trying to force server-side rendering up its back end. Didn't work, the whole thing crashed. You cannot SEO a Lovable website until right now Elliot's found a fix.
So I touched on two approaches last time. There is SSR, which is what we tried to do, and there's also SSG, which is static site generation. And what static site generation does is takes all of the JavaScript from React and converts it into HTML and then squirts that into an actual document that then the server renders. The difference between SSR, which is server-side rendering, and SSG, which is static site generation, is that SSR happens on the fly when you land on the page. What SSG is going to do is generate all of the HTML and put it into a document, and then we're going to allow Lovable to serve up that document. So how do we get this script? What I did is I manually hand cranked static site generation into another website. I created a diff of the changes that I made, and then we just annotated it with a few notes.
And it's as simple as a prompt, right? So here we've got an example website. You can see we've got the site built. The very next thing you do is paste in this precise prompt. You then need to copy and paste as the prompt will, as you'll be told by Lovable script into the back end.
Yep.
Which is, I can do it. It's very, very simple. You hit publish, your site's published, and as I'll show you now, if we look at this website on the back end, all of that is there and visible. All of the keywords and H1s and tags and everything you need for some form of search engine optimization.
I like to see this as an analogy of you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. We are pulling the horse as far as we can possibly go here and showing it the water and saying, this is all you need to do is just put your tongue out and
We're waterboarding the horse.
We are, yes.
Amazing steps forward. Still lots more we could do. We've got to make this truly multi-page and make it SEO in the real sense, but this will get you so far ahead than anything else that's out there right now. Still hoping Lovable to see some better SEO abilities come in. Elliot, thanks so much for smashing that out. I think we're pretty much the first people on the planet to figure this out, which is really exciting. Cheers, dude.
Welcome.
Speak soon.